people are only going to come into the office if they know they're going to see their friends, if they want to collaborate for a meeting, or if the office has amazing amenities to offer them. Great coffee, snacks,
Right.
whatever, a great location. And so all of those things are super important. But the more you can supplement that experience with technology to make it even smoother, I think that's going to actually be the next frontier and kind of what we're starting to see now. Meeting rooms is a good example. Okay, I want to book a meeting room, but I want to be able to see if one's available immediately, and I don't want to walk past 5 that are vacant
Right.
but show booked. And then if you take that more to kind of the perks, one of the things that I think was very innovative even before the pandemic, but is going to be more prevalent, is we're busy. Even when we're in the office, as much as we were there to socialize and to see our colleagues, like, we still have deadlines and we still have to get work done. Sitting at my desk, I don't want to get up and walk all the way to the gym or walk to the cafeteria only to see that there's like a massive queue that I'm going
Right.
to have to wait in for 30 minutes. That's not an optimized use of my time. And so I want to be able to, from an employee experience app, see how busy those amenities are, make decisions on the fly without having to leave my desk. So I think the more we can kind of create an ecosystem where, yes, it's serving a specific real estate need for the leadership team, it's facilitating decision making, it's optimizing the performance of the space, but then, as an aggregator of data, that information is also flowing through to the hands of the employees on their cell phone so that they're empowered to make decisions. I think it's going to elevate the employee experience.
Absolutely. And I think that's like the next step in prop tech is like, right now it's so focused on the people spending the money,
Yeah.
the developers, the property managers, the companies, how it evolves to be more user friendly and user appealing. And is it getting them to come into the office? I'll tell you what, whoever figures it out is going to make a lot of money.
Be sure to subscribe to our podcast at theadvancedgrp.com. That's theadvancedgrp.com.